The walk continues, hoping to see or sight some birds. So sometimes people ask me what is a good time for bird photography at Kadamakkudy Islands? There is no single answer to it. It could be any time. One more kingfisher. I think I could not click. It flew away. It was nice lighting. It was facing the light, but my attention was in shooting this video. I could not spot it. So there is no single good time for bird photography at Kadamakkudy. Sometimes mornings are good generally, but some days morning time before maybe 8 o'clock it is good. Okay, so I'll attach more photographs. Now let me focus on my photography. I will publish them. I'll attach those photographs at the end of this video. So if you're interested in nature walks and photography, bird photography, nature walks, please let me know. We will walk together. And now slowly we have, it's not me alone. There is a group of like-minded people who enjoys bird photography, nature walks here. So slowly the like-minded people are uniting, and most welcome. I welcome you too to the group. My phone number is in the description of this video. Anytime you visit Kadamakkudy, please let me know if you're interested in nature walks and bird photography / cycling. I would love to do it along with you. I stay very close to Kadamakkudy.